Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see what is Microsoft Defender for Key Vault. As we all know, Azure Key Vault is a cloud service that safeguards encryption keys and secrets like certificates, connection strings, and passwords. When you enable Microsoft Defender for Key Vault for Azure Native Advanced Threat Protection for Azure Key Vault, it provides an extra layer of security intelligence. What are the benefits of Microsoft Defender for Key Vault? Microsoft Defender for Cloud detects unusual and potentially harmful attempts to access or exploit Key Vault accounts. This layer of protection allows you to address threats without being a security expert and without the need to manage third-party security monitoring systems. When anomalous activities occur, Defender for Cloud shows alerts and optionally sends them via email to relevant members of your organization. These alerts include the details of the suspicious activity and recommendation on how to investigate and remediate threats. Microsoft Defender for Key Vault alerts. When you get an alert from Defender for Key Vault, you should investigate and respond to the alert as described in Respond to Defender for Key Vault. Defender for Key Vault protects applications and credentials. So even if we are familiar with the application or user that triggered the alert, it's important to check the situation surrounding every alert. The alert would appear on Key Vault security page, the Defender for Cloud dashboard. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and show you how to enable Defender for Key Vault. I am logged on to the portal, so if you would be on your home screen, you make sure you go and search for Microsoft Defender for Cloud. And under the environment settings, under management, click on environment settings. Scroll down, you see the tenant Azure root group. You click on your subscription. Under settings, you would see Defender plans. $0.02 per 10K transactions. I have 0 Key Vault, but I have enabled it. They say that new plan is available. Let's click on that. It says you are currently using a transaction-based billing model. Microsoft Defender for Key Vault is now offered under a Key Vault-based billing model. To determine which plan is best for you, we strongly encourage you to reference your cost estimation workbook and pricing calculator. So it says per transaction model, which is this, and per Key Vault, which is $0.25 per Key Vault per month. I would like to switch to the updated pricing plan. So it says that after you save your changes, you won't be able to use the Azure portal to switch back to the current plan. So if you do this and click on confirm, you will not be able to go to the per transaction model. Alright, so make sure you read about the pricing structure and the changes that this new model brings in and decide which path you have to go. So I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.